Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be going to look at this Infinity Fuse 100 by Harman. And as you can see guys, this is a kind of a very compact Bluetooth speaker by this company, so I thought let's just do a review of this one as it looks pretty good. And so in this video I'm going to do the review and we'll be going to see what kind of stuff we'll get in the box. And as you can see, the pricing is triple line, but you can get it from Amazon for rupees around 1500, so that's pretty nice. And as you can see guys, it is water resistance as well, so it actually comes with a rating of IPX7, so that's a pretty nice thing. So now let's look at the stuffs in the box. Okay, let me just get the stuffs. So here are the contents of the box that you will get inside. So we have a normal micro USB cable to just charge it up, or else you can use any cable lying around at your home. And this is a kind of whatever that is so you can just tie it on your Bluetooth speaker if you wanted to. But yeah, so now guys, now let's just focus on the Bluetooth speaker itself. And the first thing that I noticed is guys, it is actually pretty compact. As you can see, it actually looks pretty cute as well, and we have the Infinity branding at the front. And all over the finish is actually pretty nice. It actually feels great in the hand. And if I just talk about the IO, then we have one micro USB port for charging and the aux port, so you can also use it with the aux port, so that's a pretty nice thing. So yep, that's about the IO. And in order to power it on, you just have to hold the button at the center and it will just instantly go into the pairing mode, and then you can just get your phone and connect it with the phone itself. So yeah, that's a pretty nice and simple steps. Now if I just talk about the build quality of this Bluetooth speaker, then guys, the build quality is actually really good. It is made up of a really nice high quality rubberized finished plastic, and it actually feels premium in hand, and it is actually pretty compact as well, so it will give you a nice feeling obviously. And yep, and we also have a button at the top like volume plus button, minus, and play pause button and all that stuff, and they are actually pretty clicky, so that's actually a pretty nice thing. And as you can see, we have a mic at the bottom, and the mic quality is actually fairly good, so you don't have to worry about that. You can actually take or end calls with that. So yep, that's actually what it is. And as you can see, it is actually pretty compact, so you can simply just take it around with you if you travel a lot or something. So guys, if I just talk about the charging time and the battery life of this Bluetooth speaker, then I have to say the battery life is actually good, as it has two modes, the deep bass mode and the normal mode. In deep bass mode guys, you will get around 5.5 hours to 6 hours of battery life, and whereas on the normal mode you will simply get 7.5 hours to 8 hours of battery life. So I think that is pretty fair battery life. And guys, trust me, you will gonna love the deep bass mode. So just you can expect the battery life of this Bluetooth speaker to 5.5 hours to 6 hours, as I'm pretty sure that you will gonna use it in deep bass mode all the time. And in terms of charging time, the charging time is actually a little bit more than usual. It is around 2 to 2.5 hours. It is not deal breaker or something, but it is something to be noted. Now let's just talk about the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker, which is again the most important part of any speaker. Then guys, I have to say, in terms of sound quality, this is the best Bluetooth speaker that you can get in this price point. Considering the form factor of this Bluetooth speaker, as it is so small, the sound quality is just phenomenal guys. The kind of bass that you'll get in deep bass mode is just nothing but sort of incredible. The In terms of bass and in terms of the high ends also, it is doing pretty nice job guys. I've simply haven't expected this much good sound quality from this kind of Bluetooth speaker, as it is really small. And as you can see, it has two modes, so you can just change the mode by pressing the volume up button and down button at the same time, and it will tell you in which mode you are in. So yep, that's a pretty nice feature, I have to say. And as I've told you, you will gonna just use it in the deep bass mode all the time, as it is really good. Then guys, it is actually really nice, and it actually feels great when you hold it in your hand. It actually feels premium, so that's another thing. But in terms of sound quality, if you just put it on the table or something, it will gives you that low end, that punchy bass. So that's a pretty nice thing, guys. And in terms of high ends as well, it is doing actually a pretty nice job. The sound of the instruments and the vocals are actually pretty clear, so that's a pretty nice thing. And the bass is also actually good, as I've told you. So yep, you don't have to worry about the sound quality, because guys, it is actually pretty nice. In terms of loudness as well, it is actually fairly loud, and I would say it is pretty much loud, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you want to just buy this Bluetooth speaker, I have the link in the description below. You can just simply head over to that link and buy from that link. It does help the channel out, guys. And I'm pretty sure, guys, you will gonna love this Bluetooth speaker. If you're just finding any Bluetooth speaker in this price range, just simply go for this one. And if you just simply just like this video, then drop a like, I would really appreciate it. And if you're just new to this channel, then just guys subscribe to this channel. Peace out.